Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on EWS, and instead of doing it with the AK90, we're gonna do it with the Xhorse with the adapter. When you get it off the box, there is one thing that you're gonna need to do. So it comes not prepared. So we're basically gonna need to cut one of those sides and to connect it. So I'm just gonna connect it and show you what you do. This part you just break into two. This will be your holder, and then here we have this part, and this is the thing that will be like connecting into the chip. So we're gonna need basically to connect this cable, one of the side to here. It's very easy. We're just gonna open this part and put it in. I'm just gonna show you. So this thing, just like I said, we're just gonna break it to two pieces. So we're gonna have it as a closer. That thing, we're just gonna open up this part, so it's gonna look like that. I'm gonna cut this wire and open it up a little bit and put it through here. So I open up the wire just like that, and then I'm gonna just slide it inside this. So I slide it just like that, and then I will just put this and round it up to this circle, such as so. And I'm gonna make sure it's holding it. And to close it, I just pulled it out, and now we're gonna be installing this on the EWS. So now we're gonna go on our phone, and we're gonna scroll to this machine. We're gonna put it on, and we're gonna hit select, connect. And now here we're gonna go to Immobilizer, Bmw, and then we can see EWS3, and we're going to use the adapter. And here we can see the diagram exactly how to connect it. So we're just going to follow the diagram, and I'm going to show you how I connected it. So we have it connected just like the diagram, with the shark on the last leg over there. And we're just going to connect this part into the adapter. So now when everything is connected, actually we will connect from this tool, so we're gonna have the file saved on that. So after we connect the adapter, we're gonna take our key tool, and we're gonna go to the machine, connect, and then Bmw EWS3 adapter. Everything is connected, and we're going to read the EPROM. So we're just going to hit continue. So we hit the read, and it kept going even though it says that they had some issue. So we're just going to put something, whatever that will have a way to recognize that. Now we're going to go back to the Emo data tool, and we're going to go to Europe, BMW EWS3, and we're going to choose the file that we just did. And now we can see the keys right there. So this will be a good time to take the new key. Okay, so we have the key that we want to register, so we're just gonna put it here, and we're gonna go to our slot number 7, and we're just gonna hit make dealer key. And in this case, we're not using a super chip, and we're just gonna hit OK, and it start making key. Prepare dealer key success. Now the key can start the engine. We're not supposed to write anything back, so we're just gonna put it back in the car and see. So after we register that, we're not supposed to write it back. We should be able to just put it back in the car and we test the key. So we're just gonna cut it and make sure. So I finished the car, everything was working good. I just placed the key inside the ignition, turned it one time, turned it off, and started the car right away. So no need to write it back. This is how you're gonna do the keys for those models. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.